Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change Equalizer preset on your JBL Tuner 3. So, what you guys want to do first is open up the JBL Portable app. Now in this app, you should have your JBL Tuner 3. There's a tutorial on our channel on how to easily set this up and how to add your speaker into the app. So here we have the Equalizer. Now you will probably have it at JBL Signature as it's the first equalizer mode, but you guys can change it right here in the app to, let's say, chill, energetic, vocal, or custom. You can create your own one. So I will, for an example, go with energetic, and now you will definitely notice a difference between energetic or the JBL Signature. You will definitely feel a difference. Every single equalizer is different, and this is how you guys can easily change them. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.